Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to grow your own snow pea and snap pea. Tips number 1. Snow pea and snap pea can withstand colder temperature as long as it stays above 0 degree, ideally between 5 to 25 degrees centigrade. Tips number 2. You can mix snow pea and sugar snap pea seed when sowing to enjoy two varieties of peas during harvest. Tips number 3. Sow 2 batches of seeds 4 weeks apart to extend the harvest season. Soak the seed in water for an hour or 2 before sowing. It will germinate much faster. 3 weeks later, seedling emerges from the ground. Tip number 4. Use 2 trellises per section to allow more peas to climb up, which result higher yield. Tip number 5. If you don't have a garden space, the peas can be grown in container too. However, you will still need a trellis for it to climb up. About 6 weeks later, it starts flowering. Tip number 6. Adding mulch around the base of the pea plant helps to keep the soil moist and encourage faster growth and higher yield. Peas are fast-growing vegetables. Once they start flowering, peas can be harvested in about a week. Don't leave them on the plant too long, or they will become tough to eat. Time to harvest delicious and organic snow peas and snap peas after about 7 to 9 weeks. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more upcoming gardening videos. As always, happy gardening.